3D tech, drone footage, satellite data. NIA intensifies probe into Pahalgam terror attack. The National Investigation Agency NIA is using advanced forensic methods, including satellite imagery, drone footage, and detailed witness accounts including those from victims' families, pony operators, vendors, and local workers to digitally reconstruct the crime scene of the Pahalgam terror attack, where 26 men, mostly tourists, were killed on April 22, according to sources. Sources told CNN News 18 that the NIA has combined technical and human intelligence to build a high-resolution 3D model of the scene, helping investigators trace every movement and bullet trajectory linked to the attack. The 3D mapping process uses technologies like LiDAR, drone surveillance, and photogrammetry to create high-resolution spatial models, offering investigators precise tools for scene reconstruction and courtroom presentation. Sources said that the Pahalgam investigation is uniquely challenging due to its civilian focus and proxy warfare dynamics. Unlike the 2611 Mumbai attacks or the Pulwama bombing, this case does not easily allow India to rally international consensus. The NIA is therefore focusing on collecting detailed evidence to counter Pakistan's denials and sustain international support. 2024 Gagangar attack link. Sources also revealed that the terrorists involved in the 2024 Gagangar attack were linked to the Pahalgam incident. However, no connection has been found suggesting that they came from the Chenab Valley side. Investigators believe they did not travel via that route. Detailed communication analysis has so far found that the terrorists did not speak to any locals and used encrypted channels to communicate, sources added. Ultra communication mode. Additionally, the terrorists reportedly conducted reconnaissance over 2 alternate days. The NIA has questioned over 30 potential witnesses. However, no suspects have been confirmed yet, sources said. Swipe left for next video. Sources revealed that NIA investigators are scanning the communication records of relatives and families of local terrorists in search of any leads. Combing operations are underway, and officials suspect that the terrorists used thick forest cover to reach base Aran Valley. The NIA's probe underscores a systematic approach combining forensic science, digital tracking, and on-ground intelligence. While progress has been made in identifying suspects and cross-border links, challenges remain in neutralizing the terrorists and addressing systemic security lapses. Latest blogs.